Guys, Camstudio is awesome and it's free. And trust me on this, video marketing is hot. I want you to start doing video tutorials. And it is so simple once you have it set up. Don't worry guys, I will help you. Open Google and type Camstudio. Hit the search button. And then you have camstudio.org or Camstudio on SourceForge. SourceForge is a trusted site and have lots of open source applications. That is, everything is free. It is important that you get started with videos. Open SourceForge, hit download, and after a while you get the opening Camstudio and save file. So ignore this form here. Save file, and then you double click and install Camstudio. Obviously I cannot do this because I'm using this application for recording right now, so it would mess things up. Anyway, you open Camstudio like this, and this button will be red when you start. It is gray because I'm recording. Now open YouTube, pick any video with high video quality. I have found that 720p is perfect for both reading text and for small size. And what I mean with reading text is if you choose 480p or lower, the text will be hard to read. So then you need a big font. So there is a trick to make the videos just enough to reach this quality, and that is setting the right dimensions, the width and height. So how do you do that? You click the region in the menu and select fixed region. You enter 1280 in width and 720 in height. That's it. Now you get 720p. Now select the options menu and hit video options. I use Xvid MPEG-4 codec, and that codec is awesome. It is much better than Camtasia's own codec or encoder, or the Camstudio encoder. But in order to get this codec, you need to install this codec library. So now we want to find the codec. You type exactly as I showed you before, and you hit the xvid.org. Now these guys are professional nerds. Normally websites are made for everyone, but this is written by nerds for nerds. And they have special rules you must follow. The first rule is not to tell anyone what I'm about to tell you now, so you must be quiet. What you want to get is a binary. So you hit Xvid codec downloads, and of course there are no binaries here. This is the source code. So where is the binary? So everyone was asking about it, so they made an FAQ for people that are not nerds. And here you search for binaries. I'm sorry guys, I made a mistake. They don't even tell you about it here. So you have to search for this on Google. Let's try this phrase. No, there's no xvid.org here. Let's change the phrase a little bit. And now we are getting somewhere. Where can I download an Xvid binary? So you enter the FAQ again, and here we have the question. Look at the download section, and now we have downloads. These guys are real geniuses. And if you have Windows, you download the file here. As a rule of thumb, you always try to find the smallest download button. So in my opinion, it is this button. And here we have the Xvid file, save, and then you install the file. And you should get the Xvid codec. For audio options, you would like to have MP3 codec, but for some reason I can't make that work for me. So it's set to PCM, but even if I select MPEG layer 3, it will not be encoded with MP3. It will switch back to PCM. So this is the reason I made the first video for you guys, where I use FFmpeg to convert videos, and you save pretty much space when you convert PCM to MP3. Remember the 90 megabyte file I made, and that got converted down to 14 megabyte. So that's a huge difference. Now, of course, you want record audio from microphone. I like the enable auto pan, and that is you can scroll the view area like this. And this doesn't exist in Camtasia, but instead Camtasia records the whole screen, and when you work with Camtasia Studio you can post-process the panning moments, which in my opinion is silly. I like to have my videos made in a specified, and the name should be automatic for convenient use. Now we can check the keyboard shortcuts, and this is buggy as hell. So I have this set up. You may have to try this several times in order to get your preferred shortcut combination. But I only use F8 for pausing and playing while you record. I make sure that I don't hit F9 by accident, for example. So that would stop the whole recording and I have to start again. So for me I must press cancel. I can't press OK because that would give me an error, I think. So it's more like trial and error and ignoring warning messages, and then finally you get your preferred shortcut combination. And to stop the video I hit the blue button here. I recommend that you get acquainted with the pause and record shortcut key or hotkey, because I notice some people they just record all the time, and when they have problems, the problems will be recorded. So a 5-minute section with problems is just a waste of time to see. I probably pressed the pause and record button several hundred times just for this recording session. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please give a comment of what you think of this video. Much appreciated. Thank you. Bye.